Just here everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, I am here on my roof and you can see the weather and it's morning time and it's not too much early morning. Actually it's 8 9 o'clock in morning time, so it's not early morning, but yes, still the sun not appear, and it seems like after some time it will appear, but okay, now it's very foggy season. You can see the fog everywhere and cold wind is blowing and you can see the Dobby is Dobby is fighting with me. Don't do. Go. Okay, so friends, let's talk about something in English. So friends, I know you have taken a resolution for learning English speaking skill in 2025, and if you are thinking, okay, I will learn this language in 2025, and you have taken a resolution, so this video is going to very helpful for all the people who have taken a resolution for learning English speaking skill in 2025. Next, play. So friends, so in this video I'm going to share with you some methods, and all the methods are going to help to improve your English fluency, because you know there are three level for the learners English speaking skill. First level learners, this is called, you know, beginner level. Second level learners called intermediate level learners, and third level advanced level learners. So yes, intermediate level learners or advanced level learners, they can easily figure out their problem in their ways, because they have some knowledge about this field, about this language, so they can figure out their problem. But it's very difficult for the beginners level people, because they just take on a resolution, okay, in this year I will learn this language, but they don't know how to work on it, how to which type of tips methods are going to help for them. So they don't know where should they go, which type of apps are going to helpful for them, so they don't know. So that's why I'm making a video for all the beginners, for all the learners who really want to improve their English fluency in 2025. Okay, so this video is very helpful for them. Now let's talk about how to use this type of method we should use for learning this language. Okay, so please stay with me for the next 5 or 6 minutes, because in this time I'm going to share with you everything, and this video is going to very helpful for all the beginners. Okay, so let's talk about language. Okay, English is a language, and we know, everyone know that for learning any language there are 4 pillars. So these are some foundation, like in Hindi we can say subopali, sunna, bolna, padhna and likhna, and English we can say okay LSRW, listening, speaking, reading and writing. So these are 4 pillars. We should work only in these 4 pillars in our beginning time. I mean to say initially time we should work on these 4 pillars. Okay, so the first week, what should we do? We should only start to listening content in English, because there is a sentence like okay, good speaker become while he or she listen. Okay, so yes, listening is very important. Okay, so good listener become good speaker. So yes, you need to listen content in English, or you should choose content according to your interest. I mean to say, if you are interested listening any story, so you can choose any story, and if you are interested to listen any English commentary, so you can choose your English commentary. So it's up to you, but you have first week you have to listen content in English. But one time listening is not going to help you, believe me, because when we are listening any content in English, so only first time 25%, 30%, 40% meanings comes to us. But when we listen the same content 3 or 4 times, so yes, 80% meanings comes to us. But when we listen the same content minimum 8 to 10 times, so yeah, what happened, language will come to us. So we really want to learn this language, so for this we have to listen same content minimum 10 times, so that language will come to us. Okay, so this is the thing that you have to do. Now same time, if you listen any content minimum 10 times, okay, then next time next time means after this if you listen one content minimum 10 times, so yes, the second just you need to do give your output, because you are consuming a lot of information while listening. Now it's time to give your output. But how to give your output? Okay, whatever you have listened in your content, what you need to do, you need to just try to listen same content in the 11th time. I mean to say, in this time you have to use shadowing technique. Repeat after me. This is called, okay, listen and repeat, listen and repeat. So for this, what you need to do, you need to just listen the same content, not the different one, same content. First sentence you should listen, and then pause audio video and try to speak out loud that you have listened first sentence with the same pronunciation, with the same intonation, with the same style. Why I'm saying this? Because uh, initially time you need to just repeat, you need to just imitate. Okay, because if you started to just okay giving your output why whatever you have in your mind, so it's not going to help you, because initially time our pronunciation, our mouth muscles, our jaw muscles have not practiced in this language how to speak the English words in with the same correct pronunciation. So for this we need to just improve our pronunciation level, our we should increase our vocabulary. We should speak a correct sentence first time. So for this you need to follow shadowing technique, and for this what you need to do, you need to just take any information in English, listen sentence or first sentence in English, then pause and try to speak out loud with the same pronunciation, with the same intonation. So this is called shadowing techniques. Initially time you have to work on this technique, I mean to say, and this technique it's very important for learning any skill, any language. I'm not saying skill, any language. So these techniques will help you, believe me. Okay, after this you are using shadowing technique initially time, and the same technique you have to use on second person, I mean to say. You should read any para in English, and now after that you should but one time reading is not going to help you. You should read the same para minimum 9 or 10 times. Why I'm saying this? Because after that you have to give your output while writing. But there is no any column that you should write by watching by reading book. Now it's time to give your output by write whatever you have read earlier, but in your own words. So it is time your mind will start to observe all the thing that you have read earlier. So yes, in this way you can easily give your output. But what happened, you are reading too much content in English, but when it comes to give your output by writing, so you will write a little bit, not too much. So you are consuming lot of content in English while listening, while reading, but when it comes to give your output, so you are giving only okay little bit. Okay, and you are thinking, okay, it's very difficult, I can't learn this language. So yes, initially time it happens. You should work on it. Okay, without skip a single day, you should work on it, on your four skill, I mean to say 4 fundamental skill. And if you are doing this thing minimum 1 month, after 1 month you have to move on the other stage, like thinking in English. Okay, so other stage means thinking in English. Now it's time to start think all the surroundings, whatever things are surrounds you, whatever activities are happening around you. So you need to create some little sentences in your mind. Okay, and okay, if you feel okay, there are some there are many people, you can't speak loud, so you can speak in your mind. Okay, in this park there are so many people are walking, girls kids are playing, and old people are laughing. Okay, so you can do this thing now. So after this, what you need to do, next month you need to give your speech. And for this you need to follow mirror technique, because it's time to increase your confidence. You have achieved so many so many information you have, consuming so many information while listening, while reading. And yes, you can easily speak some sentences in English, but there are no any sentence in your own, I mean to say. Now it's come time to give your output by giving speech with your own words. And for this you need to follow mirror technique. And for this, what you need to do, you need to just take any information that you have listened earlier, and stand in front of the mirror and just start to give your speech. And at that time you can record your video. And yes, you should give your speech without taking any pause, because you know it's time to give your create your confidence level. And initially time you feel okay, it's very awkward, it's very weird, and it seems okay, very funny, but you don't need to show other people. You should you should go to your room and close your door and stand in front of the mirror and give your speech. Okay. And yes, in between time your mind, your body wants to come back on your native language, but don't do that. I mean, what is the meaning of doing this activities? Okay. So yes, you need to stick with this method, I mean to say mirror technique. Okay. And do this technique minimum 1 month. After now you are covering all the thing, I mean to say you are giving your, you are taking shadowing technique, you are using mirror technique, you are thinking whatever activities around yourself. Okay. Now let's move on next stage, that is watching TV. Okay. You are watching any series, any movie in English, and put subtitle in English. And yes, you are learning English with the context, I mean to say. Okay, in this context this word is used. You are watching a movie or series. In between you are reading some sentences, because their accents are different and you can't understand what they are saying in proper way. And there is no any column to pause audio video and then repeat. And okay, 5 minutes you have to just finish your speech. You are watching a series, you are watching a movie, so yes, there is no any column. You just need to watch series by reading subtitle. Okay, by understanding, by listening. Okay, so you are reading, you are listening. Okay. And one time if you finish a movie, then try to repeat same movie next day, third day, fourth day. You have to watch one movie in English 7 day regular way. Why? Because the first time, second time only 30 and 40% you can understand, but 6 or 7 day you can easily understand. Okay, all the language in with the context, because English is a language, and any language comes to you by imitation, by a repetition. So imitation, repetition is, it's very important to learn any language. Okay. Now do this practice. Now you have a lot of stuff for 3 days, and you can choose for 3 months, and you can choose your 3 months in between and 12 months, because you have taken a resolution. Okay, in this year I will learn this language. So if you are watching this video and it's a month of February, then you can choose February, March, April. Okay, and start your journey. After 3 months you will feel okay, more confident in English. Now it's come to show your bravery, show your courage to speak in front of the public. Okay, so that's up to you. Without showing your courage, you can't learn this language. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.